Welcome to Swift Programming. In this tutorial, we will see how to create a toggle switch and a toggle button in SwiftUI. A toggle has only two states, on and off, true and false. This control is useful to make users select between two options. One thing we need to declare is a stat variable to save the current configuration of the toggle switch. Let's start by declaring the stat variable. Next, we declare the toggle switch. To which we pass the binding of the state variable we just create. For example, in this toggle we can put a conditional. That is an if that shows a text view if the Wi-Fi is on. Now the toggle switch is created in the Xcode canvas. If is on shows the text view. And finally, we can customize the color of the switch using the time modifier as follows. I set the color to blue. Now the switch is blue. Remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel to continue learning with new tutorials. Now we are going to learn how to create a toggle button. At the end of the exercise, you will see the difference between a toggle switch and a toggle button. First, we declare the toggle. We set the name, the San Francisco symbol, using system image, and we pass the binding variable. We now have the toggle switch on the canvas. First of all, we will apply a font modifier, .large title. We customize the color with the time modifier. We set the toggle's style to button. Now we have a button in the canvas. We set the label style to icon only. Also, I will put a conditional is on. If is on is true, I will show the Wi-Fi image. If is on is false, I will show the Wi-Fi./image. That means if the user taps the screen is on is true, I will show the Wi-Fi image. If user taps the screen and is on is false, I will show the Wi-Fi./image. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you have learned a lot. See you in next video.